Greetings. This is Otar here. We're in Fort Myers, Florida, and we're doing this renovation contract of this complex building. We have to do essentially 3 projects. One here, this project that we're doing, another one there. And let's set the camera down. Another project is there. The first one is here. And the third project is right over there. Is this house. And potentially we're going to build the fourth house right there at the property. So let's go do the tour. What we're going to do for this project. Right where we are right now, we are in the garage area. These 2 storage units, the doors got blown away by the hurricane, and we got to put the new doors in, paint them, storages, whatever. This is a water heater room. We got to change this electric water heater. It's a 30-gallon. I know it looks bigger, but it's 30-gallon, and we got to replace that and paint the room, change the light, change the door, make sure everything works. Now we are entering the house kitchen area, but before we do anything else, let me talk to you about the kitchen. So the kitchen, the upper cabinets will remain. We got to get bottom cabinets replaced, all the sheetrocks cut out. As you see, there's a mold, black mold everywhere. So we got to take this out and cut the sheetrock 4 feet across everywhere. And put the new sheetrock in, but before we put in, we got to do mold abatement. This is a lanai in the back. Lanai gets cleaned out and washed. That's pretty much it with the lanai. Over here on this side, we got to get this cabinet down, take this cabinet down, cut the sheetrock out, closet, new doors, everything inside is going to get new sheetrock, new shelves, new everything. Now let's move on. We are seeing a bathroom first. This is a bathroom area. Bathroom has a floor sheet, the tile floor, which is going to remain. Again, we got to cut out the sheetrock 4 feet across, and on the bathroom side, I'm going to show you on the other side what we're going to do. We're not going to remove the sheetrock from the bathtub, but we got to treat it with a mold from the other side. So we got to cut the wall here, deal with that, cut the wall from the bedroom. Everything else is going to remain. We're going to fix the ceiling, change the vanity cabinet, and we're also going to do tile all across 36-inch height. Now we're going to this area. We have here air handler unit. Probably got damaged. We don't know yet. We don't have power to test it, but anything at the bottom of this is going to get replaced. We are in the first bedroom. As you see, right where we're going to cut out and treat the mold treatment, do the mold treatment. In the bedroom, this whole wall, particularly this one wall, is going to get completely rebuilt. Everything else is going to get 4 feet cut out. And the second bedroom, take it to second bedroom. We have a little more work to do than that. Over here in the second bedroom, we got the same thing, cut out 4 feet. 4 feet, rebuilt this wall. This used to be just regular wall, 2x4s, got blown away. We got to put these 2x4s in, reinforce it, bada boom, bada bing. And outside on these walls, we got to do cement board. We got to cement board the whole thing, and instead of 2 regular 2x4s, we got to do replace these 2x4s with 4x4s to reinforce this whole area, or 2x6s, maybe even better. 2x6. We got to get the bottom plate. This wall is going to get shifted slightly inside in order to accommodate 2x6 all across, and 2x6 all across, and that's about it. Now, let me take you to the other house. Essentially, it's the same problem, and we got to do the same thing. Exception here is that it's in a bit of a mess right now, and I'm sorry that you got to see this, but that house was the same mess. Right now, we're cleaning it up. So we're coming into the garage, same story, water heaters, the closets, the sheetrock, and doors, new. Let me take you to kitchen. Same thing, upper cabinets will remain, everything on the bottom is going to go. Same thing with the lanai outside. Let me show you also this thing here. The carpet is going to go from the floor, 4 feet cut out, all across, new sheetrock, new everything. I'm sorry I can't take you in. This is the most I can do. But exception is that wall here, outside wall, is going to get rebuilt by 2x6s. Bathroom, same story. New vanity, sheetrock, new sheetrock on the ceiling. On this bedroom, same story as the other side. Bit of mess. Sorry, that's how you have to see. But that's what Ian left this house in this condition. So, 2x6 wall, 2x6 wall. This room is gonna get shrunk a little bit, 1 inch, inch and a half, but it's worth it. To reinforce these walls, it's worth it. And cement board outside with new stucco is gonna save the day.